Are you ready? Stand by.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Christian and today we're just going to do a quick short video on how to replace the grips on a CZ Shadow 2. I have the stock grips here and I've got the Palm Swell GridLok brass grips from LokGrips. Check them out, they're pretty awesome. So what are we going to need to do? Well, the first thing we're going to need to do is make sure that the weapon is safe and clear.
Safety first.
No magazine. Nothing in the chamber. Alright. Weapon is good. Next thing you're going to need is a... Well, I don't know if you're sure if you're going to be able to see this. Let me see if I can get the zoom. It would actually work if I had it on the right side. This is a T20 Torx bit. Come on, autofocus.
Focus, motherfucker! Focus!
Well, it's not the greatest autofocus in the world, but it's a T20 Torx bit. And of course, Torx screwdriver. The actual grips, and LokGrips does send 2 extra grip screws for you as well. So we're going to go ahead and start this on one side at a time. I'll go ahead and remove with the T20 Torx bit the screw here to remove this panel. Once that screw is loose, just go ahead and pick it up over here. I'm actually going to get I need to wipe this down. There's some of the internal workings of your Shadow 2 right there. And I'm going to take the screws that were provided by LokGrips. We're going to go ahead and put the grip on, ensure that we are lined up with the hole, that we're even on the magwell area, or this area down here. I'll go ahead and put the washer or the O-ring on the screw. Put the screw in there. Now this, I had to look it up, but this should be 15. The torque should be 15 inch-pounds. There you go. Let me just do the same on the other side. Now before I go on, let me go ahead and show you the difference. Let me move the light, see if I get a better angle here. So there's a palm swell on these LokGrips. You can see the stock grips on the Shadow 2 are pretty straight up and down. This one's got a bit of a palm swell, which I like on a lot of different firearms that I have. Alright, go ahead and knock the other side out now. Again, the 20 Torx screw. Put that to the side. Remove this. We're going to wipe this one down as well. Again, making sure we are lined up with the hole and even. Just going to move this over to get a better light on it. can't seem, I don't think it's because of this mag release. There. Oh, that's it right there. Alright. So I'm going to make sure we're lined up perfectly. And again, got the O-ring and the screw. We are set to 15-inch pounds. There it is. That satisfying click. And there is the completed product. So these are the solid brass Palm Swell GridLok grips from LokGrips. Gonna go ahead and weigh the gun. 51.8 ounces, but for competition purposes, so let me go ahead and grab an empty mag. Of course, my mags aren't empty. I do have these snap point dummy rounds in here. So I'm going to be using this in the Carry Optics division, and the Carry Optics division weight, maximum weight on your handgun is 59 ounces with an empty magazine. So we are still compliant at 55.6 ounces. This thing is nice and heavy and good to go. And that's it. Tell me what you think.